Hello, you don't even need a white.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish. This man.
Mugbe wala handicap.
Ezriko ufumune mwoke. Nnago tule kwatawa ganya agbali na agbali. Nwa m ihe ọrụ nga na-ezi ike. Ọ dị izi. Biko. Let them see. Let them be some. Biko.
Uncle, you make an arrest room.
What's the music? Muloka Joloi. That is to be on the appointed to be out of restroom. Come back, Batranga. Ebony Lajo, you is the
No, uncle, restroom Weban and Yoshi. If I is UK. She back again, Yoshi. My mom back in your mommy. What is good for your health?
Latin.
Eban and Yoshi, my mommy, be no. Puta. Uncle, puta.
Hey!
Photo.
Come on.
We must learn a lesson.
All the good. You understand? It's not good for you.
It's a guy who's going to
Yeah, arrest room.
But if the arrest room
It's for your convenience. You go in there and release yourself. Yes, sir.
I wonder. I don't come to Mamma and Lucy, Samba, Ulo, room or my hotel,
No, it's just for rescue. Never I know your memory.
Restroom, my work, I come back to school. I don't care. Restroom work in that is.
Oh my God.
Rest. Yeah, rest. You never talk to them, there's joint peace.
Don't worry, I know.
Oh, yeah, Latin.
It's convenience.
Latin Mulo Mario.
Yes,
you got Latin, that I'm going. What we keep having Mulos and that I'm giving. Let us get on Latin. Run you Mario with a dog. Hey! Let son of Donald. Wonder. Now, in a shower. Say no name. Any head. Eh? Oh, let's do Mungananis. And what by Latin?
Oh,
Any lemon near Banty. Any of our Golem.
what did you I told them to get you something. What did they
What when you're not toilet in Guam? The way the Bob will go. Oh, restroom. Elizabeth in the moon.
You don't know why it's going on.
So I'm saying, no, million on the knock here. Hey! Don't I need to come to me here? What I say? So, what's on? Wanga school warrior. Hey!
You don't know why it's going on.